Hello everyone, this is Ango. The question everybody's asking about last night's Oscars, did Will Smith really slap Chris Rock? We're gonna dissect, flip it, rub it down on no videos regarding what happened.
Your mom's
Chris Rock and Will Smith. Initially, it appeared that Chris Rock rolled with the slap as if it was staged. But when we take a closer look, it appears that Will Smith actually made contact with Chris Rock's face. Let's slow it down here. In my own opinion, it does appear that Chris Rock gets slapped in his face. But then again, the video quality is so bad it looks like it's a ghost hand, so it's unknown if he really actually slapped Chris Rock. As we reverse the video, it still doesn't show anything clearly, but again, it does appear that something made contact with Chris Rock's face. While everyone is concentrating on Will Smith slapping Chris Rock, everyone should be concentrating on why Will Smith did this. After looking like a bull-fuck-eyed deathbed on the red table, Will was left questioning his masculinity. I think the problem is Will Smith is allowing people to dictate who he really is.
his masculinity is misplaced.
In his attempt to find some kind of normalcy, he's all over the place.
Don't take your problems out on anyone else. Be comfortable with who you are.
Oh, fuck you!